To support your workforce for success, you need agility and scalability. Upgrading your infrastructure to support employee demand is critical, and you need low risk in a world where people access systems anytime, from anywhere, with any device. Imagine you just bought a new smartphone and plug it into the network. Within minutes, all your data and applications are restored from the data previously backed up in the cloud. Wouldn't you prefer to upgrade or lift and shift your Oracle Access Management workloads with similar ease? On-premises upgrades and cloud migration can be challenging, but the new Oracle Access Management Snapshot Tool saves time, resources, and money. Upgrade tasks are simplified and transparent, while migration of OAM workloads to the cloud is straightforward. In both cases, there's no disruption to your existing installation while upgrade or migration occurs. Seamless upgrade and migration are facilitated by eliminating the OAM mid-tier state and storing the OAM runtime data, policy, and configuration data in the database. The OAM Snapshot Tool is uniquely designed to be deployment type agnostic. Enterprise customers may have deployments in data centers globally that could be on-premises, in a single or multi-cloud, or in a hybrid environment. Upgrade or migration in all circumstances is easy, or the tool can be used for pure backup and restore purposes. To perform an upgrade or migration to the cloud using the Snapshot Tool, the administrator takes a snapshot of the data in the existing installation and installs a new OAM binary installation, be it the same or later version, in an existing data center, a new data center, or in the cloud. The snapshot of the data is then restored to the new installation. After performing user acceptance testing, the DNS is updated to route traffic to the new installation. So the new OAM instance is production ready with all your previous data and configuration. And the old installation can be left in place for quick and easy rollback if required. Whatever your upgrade or cloud migration needs, the Oracle Access Management Snapshot Tool provides simple, transparent upgrade and migration while reducing costs and allowing faster transition to the cloud. Learn more at oracle.com/identity.